With step 1 and step 2 underway, I think it'd be great to start a step 3. And in step 3, I would like to find out what my passions are in life. That would probably help me be a lot happier than what I am now. I did go to film school, and as much as I liked it, I didn't feel quite at home. I didn't feel welcome. Like I should be there. There are other people there that probably should be there. They have the knowledge of probably every movie in existence and they can quote anything. Good for them. That's awesome, but that wasn't me. And for me, it felt more like I just pushed myself into that because it had certain things that I liked, like the camera, like the software, and the whole meeting people, which I kind of liked. But it wasn't something that I felt I really, really, really wanted to do. So, step 3 has to be my passion. What is it? That's what we're going to figure out. Along the way, I did find other things, surprisingly, that I liked doing. And one of those things was poetry. Yeah, I know. I wrote poetry. 2 books full of poetry. Yeah. Me. Weird. And I liked it. For people that really don't know me, you have to understand, I have horrible English. Not only speak, but I mean reading. It's horrible. My grammar, just way out there. It took me forever to learn how to do the different types of the same word, like your, you are, yeah. So, to be able to actually write 2 books, it's amazing. Now I'm rambling. But anyway, I found a passion along the way, and I kind of fulfilled that passion. I'm going to write a 3rd book, but I'm not going to really worry about getting it out there as fast as I did the first 2 books. So I really need to find something else I'm good at. And I don't know. I don't know what it is yet. So I'll compile a list and I'll do that. Find out what I'm good at by basically narrowing it down. I will also do a different list of things that... Okay, we still are recording. Good. I will create another list of things that I want to do, like a bucket list. So that way I have a secondary goal to get to. Step 3 can lead into that, which would kind of be a step 4, I guess. Well, we'll see. I'll make another video on the actual list that you cannot see yet because it's invisible. It's on here. So, phase 3. Find a passion.